this video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automatic Gmail reply workflow in Make. We're setting up a simple automation that watches your Gmail inbox and sends an immediate, polite reply to the sender. Let's get started right on the scenario canvas. First, create a new scenario to open a blank workspace. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. In the search bar, type Gmail, then select Gmail from the list. When the app options appear, choose Watch Emails. This will be the trigger that looks for new messages. You'll be prompted to connect your Gmail account. Click Add, complete the sign in and permission steps so the connection can access your email safely, and then click OK to confirm. Now configure the trigger. Set the folder to Inbox so it looks at your primary inbox, and set limit to 1. Limiting to 1 ensures the scenario processes the newest message per cycle, which keeps things straightforward while you get started. Click OK to save the trigger settings. Next, add your second module by clicking the plus icon on the canvas again. Search for Gmail one more time and select it. This time, choose Send an Email. In the configuration panel, set the to field by mapping it to the From value from the Watch Emails module. That tells the scenario to reply directly to the original sender. For the subject, type RE, and then insert the subject token from the incoming email so it reads RE, subject. This keeps the email thread consistent and recognizable. In the message field, type the reply you want to send automatically. Keep it clear and professional, and remember this reply will go out as soon as a new email is detected. When those fields look good, click OK. Now set the schedule so the scenario runs on its own. Look at the bottom of the screen and click where it says every 15 minutes. In the scheduling options, select at regular intervals, then set the interval to 15 minutes, or 5 minutes if you want it to check more frequently. Click OK to confirm your schedule. With everything configured, click Save to store your scenario. Finally, turn the scenario on. From now on, the automation will check your inbox on the interval you set, and when a new message appears, it will send your predefined reply back to the sender using the subject line from the original email. That's it, your Gmail auto reply workflow in Make is live and running.